दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी या NLU दिल्ली, 3 ईयर LLB, 5 ईयर LLB। मुझे जज बनना है, बट कौन से कॉलेज से करूँ? आई वॉन्ट टू गेट इनटू कॉर्पोरेट लॉ, बट विच कॉलेज इज बेस्ट? अब ऑनलाइन तो आपको कॉलेजेस की बहुत सारी लिस्ट मिलेंगी, बहुत सारी रैंकिंग्स मिलेंगी, बट nobody really tells you कि which college is best for which career. So don't worry, this is where Mansarovar comes in the picture. So hello everyone, my name is Snigdha. I'm one of the founders at Mansarovar, and today I'll be telling you exactly which college is going to be the best choice according to the career that you want to opt. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं कि अपनी LLB करने के बाद वो सोचते हैं कि अब मैं किस फील्ड में जाऊँ, बट अगर आप पहले ही डिसाइड कर लो कि आपको किस फील्ड में जाना है, आपको जुडिशरी करनी है, आपको सिविल सर्विस में जाना है, आपको कॉर्पोरेट लॉ में जाना है, आपको एडवोकेसी करनी है, सो आप उस हिसाब से अपना कॉलेज चूज कर सकते हो। द टॉप 5 colleges after 12th that you can get into based on the career choices that you make. Number 5, Gujarat National Law University located in Gandhinagar. It is an excellent option for students who want to do corporate law. Why? Because Gujarat National Law University does regular collaborations with SEBI, RBI and legal firms of top PSUs. So if you join this college, then you will get exposure to commercial and corporate law early on. Number 4, the West Bengal National Law University, which is located in Calcutta. Now, this is a very good option for students who want to keep a career in either corporate law or want to get into judiciary. Now, why is this a good option? Because West Bengal National Law University has a legacy of producing judges. जितने judges यहाँ से बने हैं शायद ही किसी यूनिवर्सिटी से बने हैं. So obviously that is a very important part there. And they also have a lot of tie-ups. बहुत सारी corporate firms के साथ इनके tie-ups हैं. ये एक बहुत अच्छा option है. Number 3, Nalsa University of Law, Hyderabad. It is very important for students who want to go abroad for higher studies. Why so? Because Nalsa has very good linkage with international institutions. Nalsa के बहुत सारे alumni जाते हैं जैसे Harvard, Cambridge, Oxford for higher studies. So that is going to benefit you if you go at Nalsa for your law. Number 2, National Law University, Delhi. National Law University, Delhi is best for those who want to make a circle in Delhi and who want to get into litigation, constitutional law and policy making. Now, why is this a very good college? See, National Law University, Delhi is right there where there is Supreme Court, Delhi High Court, and all top lawyers, advocates, everybody is right. So if you want to get into litigation, then this is the best college for you. Number 1, obviously NLSIU Bangalore. Now NLSIU Bangalore is of gold standard. Its alumni you will find everywhere, from Supreme Court judges to top corporate firms. Everywhere there are people from NLSIU. So what is the career edge from NLSIU? A degree from NLSIU opens direct access to top firms, to top tier moves, to companies such as Amarchand Mangaldas, Hetan and Company, Trilegal. Everybody wants people from NLSIU. So NLSIU is for anybody who's aiming top companies, top internships, everything good within India related to law. Just go there and you will be there in your dream job. So it is best for students aiming elite law firms and policy careers. So अब मैंने तो आपके साथ लिस्ट शेयर कर दी है. Now it is your turn to study hard, get into your dream law college, and you can also let me know in the comment section, was your college there in the list or not? Any other career advice you want related to law, you can always write in the comments and I'll be happy to help you at Mansarovar Law Center. Thank you.